welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Anmi's review regarding the product that is Fitbit Lux? If yes, then watch this video because in this video we are going to share the reviews about this website and the product Fitbit Lux. Fitbit is an e-commerce portal founded by Eric and James when they realized the importance of wireless and sensing objects in health and fitness. This novel and advanced technology exposed them to the path to achieving the wearable product that estimates your health and notifies you also. Their product include watches, trackers, accessories. Let's check out the feature of the product that is Fitbit Lux, and by then we will be able to know either this is a legit or a scam product. This matches any outfit with its elegant and jewelry design. It has a vibrant color. It can check your heart rate 24/7, 2 exercise mode, water resistance. You can track your swimming activity, menstrual tracking. It can check out your sleeping habit. It can check breathing guidance, stress management tools, skin temperature variations, sleep score and variability of heart. It have 5-day battery timing, stopwatch and timer, call, text and notification, sleeping mode and alarm. Some more specification for this product are: its length is about 36.33 mm, width is 17.62 mm, and height is 10.05 mm. It is available both in large and small size. Water resistance is up to 50 mm. It can save 7 days of motion data, 30 days of daily totals, heart rate data with 1 second interval, and during physical activity like running with 5 second interval. It has red sensor and infrared sensor for SpO2 monitoring, vibration motor and optical heart monitoring sensor, access sensor. As far as reviews are concerned, this product is actually wearable tracker on your wrist. Its design is jewelry that showcase any foot outfit. It is comfortable watch and tracker which can be worn during sleep without any disturbance due to its unique band design. The tracker has adjustable band that is adjusted to fit the wrist of the customer. The positive point of the product are: it start after connecting with an app. It can track some activities automatically. The unique feature is to monitor breathing while sleeping and variability of your heart. It has touch screen facility. It is slim and has jewelry-like appearance. It has a warranty of 1 year. The negative point, that the only negative fact that we found while reviewing this product is it has no GPS connectivity installed in its tracker wristband. Like if you are not concerned about GPS, you can go ahead and give it a try. But the question here come in our mind as a viewer and as a customer, like, is Fitbit Lux legit? As there are many fit bands are available in price in different price and in market with variable features. The price of this product depends on the cost and features that are available. Like, it is available on brand website. It can also be purchased in some of the branded e-commerce portal like Amazon. It is providing with 1 year warranty. As far as customer reviews are concerned, many happy customers provided their positive reviews for this product. Someone say it is very easy to use and easy to carry on wrist. Some say it helps us to keep our health, as making us to show health tracking. So in our final conclusion, we can say that we recommend you to give it a try to explore more of the innovative idea of Fitbit Lux. And if you have already experienced this product and used this product, please share your views and experience about this product in the comment box. We love to hear from you.